world of medicine is constantly evolving, with groundbreaking research and innovations pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From curing previously incurable diseases to enhancing human capabilities, these 20 medical breakthroughs hold the potential to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. Breakthroughs and their potential impact. CRISPR gene, editing, timeline 5 to 10 years. Potential, precisely editing genes to treat genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis, Huntington's disease, and sickle cell anemia. Advantages, curing previously incurable diseases, preventing genetic disorders in future generations. Side effects, potential off-target effects, ethical concerns. Demographics, individuals with genetic disorders. Artificial intelligence in medical diagnosis. Timeline 2 to 5 years. Potential AI-powered systems analyzing medical images and patient data to detect diseases earlier and more accurately. Advantages, improved diagnostic accuracy, faster treatment initiation. Side effects, reliance on data quality, potential for bias in algorithms. Demographics, all patients, especially those in underserved areas. Stem cell therapy, timeline 5 to 10 years. Potential regenerating damaged tissues and organs, treating conditions like Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and spinal cord injuries. Advantages, regenerative medicine, potential for organ transplantation. Side effects, immune rejection, tumor formation. Demographics, individuals with degenerative diseases. Personalized medicine. In the next 5 to 10 years, we're looking at a future where treatments are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. This could significantly improve treatment efficacy while reducing side effects. The advantages are clear optimized treatment plans and reduced adverse drug reactions. However, there are some side effects to consider, such as increased healthcare costs and the potential for genetic discrimination. This approach could benefit all patients, especially those with complex medical conditions. Vaccines for cancer. Within the next 5 to 10 years, the potential to stimulate the immune system to attack cancer cells could become a reality, both preventing and treating various cancers. The advantages are promising cancer prevention and improved treatment outcomes. But we should also be aware of immune-related side effects. These vaccines could be particularly beneficial for individuals at high risk of cancer. Brain-computer interfaces. Over the next 5 to 10 years, these interfaces could restore lost motor function, sensory perception, and cognitive abilities in individuals with disabilities. The advantages: a significantly improved quality of life for people with disabilities. However, there are potential side effects, including the risk of infection and device malfunction. These interfaces could be life-changing for individuals with disabilities. Nanomedicine, timeline 5 to 10 years. Potential delivering drugs directly to cancer cells, improving drug efficacy, and reducing side effects. Advantages: targeted drug delivery and enhanced therapeutic effects. Side effects: potential toxicity and long-term effects are unknown. Demographics: individuals with cancer. Organ-on-a-chip technology, timeline 5 to 10 years. Potential modeling human organs and diseases, accelerating drug discovery and development. Advantages: reduced reliance on animal testing and faster drug development. Side effects: limited complexity compared to real organs. Demographics: all patients, especially those participating in clinical trials. Gene therapy, timeline 5 to 10 years. Potential introducing healthy genes into cells to treat genetic disorders. Advantages: curing genetic diseases and improving quality of life. Side effects: immune response and potential for unintended side effects. Demographics: individuals with genetic disorders. So let's talk about 3D printed organs. This technology is expected to come into play in the next 10 to 20 years. The potential here is pretty groundbreaking, creating functional organs for transplantation, which could significantly reduce the need for organ donors. Imagine the advantages: reduced wait times for organ transplants and improved patient outcomes. However, there are some side effects to consider, like the potential for rejection and the unknowns around long-term durability. This innovation could be life-changing for individuals in need of organ transplants. Moving on to the artificial pancreas, which could be available in just 2 to 5 years. This device has the potential to automate insulin delivery for people with diabetes, significantly improving blood sugar control. The advantages are quite clear: an improved quality of life for people with diabetes and a reduced risk of complications. But it's important to note the side effects, such as the possibility of device malfunction and the potential for hypoglycemia. This technology would be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. Finally, let's discuss wearable health devices. These could be widely available in just 1 to 2 years. The potential here is vast: monitoring vital signs, tracking physical activity, and even detecting early signs of disease. The advantages include proactive health management and early disease detection. However, there are side effects to consider, like the potential for inaccurate data and privacy concerns. These devices could be useful for all individuals, especially those with chronic conditions. Mental health apps. Now let's talk about the timeline. We're looking at around 1 to 2 years. The potential here is really promising. These apps can provide mental health support, cognitive behavioral therapy, and mindfulness techniques. The advantages are quite significant too: accessible mental health care and reduced stigma. However, there are some side effects to consider. These apps can have limited effectiveness compared to in-person therapy, and there's always the potential for misuse. The main demographics: individuals with mental health conditions. Telemedicine. This one's on a similar timeline, about 1 to 2 years. The potential? It's all about providing remote healthcare services and improving access to care in rural and underserved areas. The advantages are clear: improved access to care and reduced healthcare costs. But let's not forget the side effects. There are limitations in physical examination and potential for technological issues. This is relevant to all patients, especially those in rural areas. Immunotherapy for cancer. Here, we're looking at a slightly longer timeline, around 2 to 5 years. The potential is huge, boosting the immune system to fight cancer and improving treatment outcomes. The advantages? Improved survival rates and reduced side effects compared to traditional chemotherapy. However, there are immune-related side effects to be aware of. This is particularly important for individuals with cancer. Gene editing for HIV. The timeline for this groundbreaking development is around 5 to 10 years. The potential here is immense. Editing the HIV virus to prevent its replication, possibly leading to a functional cure for HIV/AIDS. The advantages are clear: a cure for HIV/AIDS and an improved quality of life for people living with HIV. However, there are some risks, such as potential off-target effects and unknown long-term consequences. This advancement is particularly crucial for people living with HIV/AIDS. Vaccines for emerging infectious diseases. The timeline for a rapid response is about 1 to 2 years. The potential is significant, preventing outbreaks of new infectious diseases and protecting public health. The advantages include reduced morbidity and mortality, as well as economic benefits. While side effects are generally mild, such as fever and fatigue, the impact on public health is profound. These vaccines are essential for all individuals, especially those at high risk. Artificial intelligence-powered drug discovery. Timeline 2 to 5 years. Potential: accelerating drug discovery and development, identifying new drug targets, and optimizing drug molecules. Advantages: faster drug development, reduced costs. Side effects: reliance on data quality, potential for bias in AI algorithms. Demographics: all patients, especially those with rare diseases. Bioprinting organs. Timeline 10 to 20 years. Potential: creating patient-specific organs for transplantation, reducing the need for donor organs. Advantages: reduced wait times for organ transplants, improved patient outcomes. Side effects: potential for rejection, long-term durability unknown. Demographics: individuals in need of organ transplants. Neuroprosthetics. Timeline 5 to 10 years. Potential: restoring lost sensory and motor functions, improving quality of life for individuals with disabilities. Advantages: improved quality of life, increased independence. Side effects: potential for infection, device malfunction. Demographics: individuals with disabilities. These 20 groundbreaking medical breakthroughs represent a promising future for healthcare. As research progresses and technology advances, we can anticipate a world where many diseases are cured, disabilities are overcome, and human life expectancy is extended. Note: this list is not exhaustive. and the timelines for these breakthroughs may vary depending on various factors, including regulatory approvals and clinical trials.